Hello guys, welcome back. Here are 6 tips that I need you to keep in mind before you start learning how to draw. Number 1, just draw. Yeah, I know. I know you're gonna say you can draw straight lines, you can draw right. Whenever you draw, it looks like crap. As long as you can write, you can draw. When you intend to write letter A, you don't end up writing letter B because you know you want to draw letter A, and so you draw letter A from memory. This is something you practice when you're in kindergarten. That's why you can draw letter A. So you just have to draw. Once you can write, you can draw. So just draw. Number 2, use the smallest things you have. You don't need the most expensive graphics tablet. You don't need the most popular software. You just need a pencil and a paper, and that's it. You can draw something as long as you know exactly what you're doing. Number 3, draw every day. Yeah, I know most artists will tell you drawing every day isn't the best advice, but trust me, you will never improve until you're consistent with your practice. All you have to do is make sure you're practicing it the right way, and trust me, you'll go really far. Number 4, always use a reference. There's no shame in using references. There's no shame in looking at a picture of an apple if you don't remember how an apple looks like. If you don't remember how something looks like, you can always get a reference photo of that thing and refer from it as you draw. There's no shame in that. It's even better than drawing from memory. Number 5, forget about details. As a beginner, you don't need to learn anatomy into detail before you can make good art. All we need is the simple shapes that give the human figure the form that it has, and you're good to go. We just need to understand what you're drawing. We just need to be able to recognize what you're drawing. Number 6, don't compare your art to any other artist. Comparing your art to other artworks is just going to break you down and make you feel like you're not good enough. Don't do that to yourself. The art journey is not a competition. I repeat, it is not a competition. It's all about you. You just have to get better than you were before. You just have to draw better today than you were drawing yesterday. That's all that matters. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.